In this video, we are going to see how we can download and install the WhatsApp on Windows 11 PC or your laptop. So it's very simple to do. All you have to do is just go to the Google and just write here WhatsApp download. And here is the official website with the link. Just click on it, download WhatsApp. And it says that you get the calling, screen sharing and faster experience with Windows app requires Windows 10 or newer, so that you can easily install it from Microsoft Store as well. So if you're using Windows 11, you can just go to Microsoft Store. Here it is. Okay, it's a web search. Let's see it in the pinned section, or just write store here and it will show you this best match. And from here, just search for WhatsApp and here is the link. So either you can use it from here. You can also install WhatsApp beta if you want to install it, or otherwise, as soon as we clicked on this particular link, it has linked it to the Microsoft Store, and you can see that it is trying to download, but it says WhatsApp installer unverified download blocked. Now this happens with all the links that you try to download in Chrome. So it's a safety feature, nothing else. Just click on it and click on download unverified file. And after that, we have the setup. Let's click on it, click on run. And once that is fully downloaded, you will see this screen, welcome to WhatsApp. You can click on get started and you can connect it in the same way like you do it on the web WhatsApp, just by scanning this QR code. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope you found this video helpful. And if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel. Also, if you want to learn more amazing stuff on our channel, you can check the playlist link in the description, and I will see you in the next one.